My name is Malek. I run a business called Knack Training that helps some of the biggest companies in the world learn to use their software more effectively. Rhonda and I have been working together for years now on webinars and live events, and this year I'm very proud to be offering sessions on 3 separate days for our upcoming Admins Rock conference. Let's start with the pre-conference. On March 18th through 19th, we'll be offering a masterclass. This is 2 3-hour blocks covering skills across Microsoft Word and Excel designed for intermediate to advanced users. Whether we're talking about existing keyboard shortcuts or creating our own custom keyboard shortcuts, whether we're talking about working within the formatting best practices or creating custom macros to automate part of our business, or even diving in deep to truly new and powerful new features like Power Query that can solve so many Excel problems for you, this is the type of session that you will not want to miss. Then, during the normal conference, I'm also offering a session on Microsoft Teams. Since we've all been thrown into Teams over the past year, there's probably little things here and there, tips and tricks, best practices, shortcuts that you've missed about how Microsoft Teams can make your job easier. We'll be talking about power tools for admins in this application. Really, across the entire conference, whether you're talking about professional development concepts like focus, productivity, and leadership, or technology concepts like Teams, Outlook, OneNote, or even those tools to help get your VA business off the ground, this conference is absolutely going to knock your socks off. So please go to adminsrock.com and register today.